Our next topic is electrostatic potential. Electrostatic potential is characteristic of electric field associated with a given charge configuration. As we have studied earlier, that amount of work done in carrying a charge, test charge plus Q, from A to B against electrostatic force of field without acceleration, this is equal to electrostatic potential energy difference. If in place of test charge plus Q, if we take unit positive charge, then this work done in taking unit positive charge from A to B against electrostatic force of field without acceleration, that gives us electrostatic potential difference. Electrostatic potential difference between 2 points B and A in an electrostatic field is amount of work done in carrying unit positive test charge without acceleration from A to B along any path between 2 points A and B. Now this figure shows that amount of work done in carrying a unit positive charge from A to B along any path. This is same. This figure shows that amount of work done in taking a test charge from A to B along any path. This depends only on initial and final position, and this is independent of path followed. If VA and VB are इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल्स यार और हम ये कहें दीज आर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल्स एट A and B, then as we know that electrostatic potential energy difference between B and A, this is equal to amount of work done in carrying a test charge Q from A to B without acceleration. If WAB is the, if in taking a charge Q amount of work done in taking from A to B is WAB, then in taking unit positive charge this will be WAB upon Q. WAB upon Q. अगर इसको हम Q से भाग कर दें तो this will give us electrostatic potential difference. Then delta U upon Q or UB upon UA minus Q or WAB upon Q, this will give us VB minus VA or delta V. If VA and VB are electrostatic potentials at A and B, then electrostatic potential energy difference was amount of work done in taking a test charge Q from A to B. If this work done is divided by Q, then this give us amount of work done in taking unit positive charge from A to B. This give us electrostatic potential difference between B and A. Therefore, potential difference between B and A, VB minus VA, is WAB upon Q, amount of work done in carrying a unit positive charge from A to B without acceleration. Now the dimensional formula of potential difference, dimensional formula of potential difference, as dimensional formula of work done is m1 L2 T minus 2 and unit of charge, dimensional formula of charge is AT. This will become m1 L2 T minus 3, क्योंकि ऊपर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा A minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of potential difference. The SI unit of electrostatic potential difference is volt. Therefore, potential difference is also called voltage. SI unit of potential difference is volt. That is why potential difference is also called voltage. Now, 1 volt. This is equal to work done, unit of work done is joule, unit of charge is coulomb. Therefore, potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule work is done in moving a unit positive charge from A to B without acceleration. Electrostatic potential energy difference, electrostatic electrostatic potential difference between 2 points. Electrostatic potential difference between 2 points in an electrostatic field is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule work is done. 1 joule work is done in moving a positive charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another without acceleration. It is to be noted that it is the difference between potentials which is physically significant. The actual value of potential is not significant, as VB minus VA is equal to WAB upon Q. It is the difference of electrostatic potentials which is significant. The actual value of electrostatic potential is not significant. Therefore, we have a choice, or we have a freedom to select a point where electrostatic potential is 0. For a charge configuration of finite extent, we assume that electrostatic potential is 0 at infinity. For a charge distribution of finite extent, electrostatic potential is 0 at a point which is at infinite distance from this charge. Therefore, if A is taken at infinity, then VB minus V infinity is equal to W infinity to B upon Q. As V infinity is 0, therefore electrostatic potential at a point is defined as amount of work done